Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Tech. So today I will be reviewing the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. So let's get started.
So on the right side you got the back button and the home button, and in the left side there is also a speaker so that you can hear music and make calls without using your phone. So for using the screen you need to rotate these pedals, or you can go to the right, you can get the shortcuts. And if you go at the rightmost, then you can see there is a add widget. If you go there you can see that there are many other widgets. If you want to add them you just need to press them like this. As you can see, this has been added in the shortcuts. To get all the apps you need to press here, and you can see you get all the apps such as news briefing, find my phone, gallery where you can see your pics. There is a watch clock. There is you can also give alarms. You can set the calendar. You can also use the LT barometer, and you can have reminders. Then you get the S voice, settings, music, Samsung Pay, weather, Samsung Health, contacts, and you can also make calls by using this. There are more apps like calculator, gear browser, gear tic-tac-toe, hit color, galaxy apps, and sim player. It is used for playing videos in your gear. These two are games. As you can see, I can play them here very easily. Easy. Okay. I win. If you want to go back, you need to press this button once, and if you want to go to the main page you need to press the bottom button once. As you can see, I can use the home button, and if you want to close all the apps you need to press the home button twice, and you can see all the apps you opened are here. Then you need to press close all. In the settings you can see you get many functions such as watch faces, you can control the sounds, you can know about your device, you can know about the display, you can set the brightness, and you can also select the time for your screen timeout. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, also NFC. You can also go in the app settings to see your apps. You can also have security system, such as if I go there, gear lock. Okay, let's give pattern. Let's give one, continue, redraw, done. So as you can see, if I close the gear and if I again on it, you can see it asks for the pattern. So let's give it, and it became. You can also see your battery management, and you can also get information about the gear, like here device information, model number, storage. As you can see, it has 4 GB storage. You can know the software information, battery information. As you can see, the rated input, and the battery capacity 380 mAh. On the left side you can view the notifications that comes from your apps, and if you slide it down you can see there are many functions such as settings, Wi-Fi, mute button, and you can also play music from here. On the back you get the sensor which lights up when you are measuring your heartbeat, as you can see.
So guys, another thing I want to add is that Samsung even claims that the Gear S3 is IP68 waterproof, which means you can keep it under water for 30 minutes. So let's check out whether it is really true. So let's check it out. So guys, as you can see, it has survived the test. So it means you can really keep it underwater for 30 minutes and up to 1 meter below the water. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.